Alright guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to be unboxing the brand new iPhone XR, not just any iPhone XR, the product red one after this. Alright guys, welcome back. So on this channel I do a lot of honest reviews and unboxings just like this one. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. Alright guys, so we're back. Here it is, the iPhone XR. Really excited to have this on the channel. 64GB version. This comes in 3 different sizes: 64, 128, and 256. And also alongside of that, it comes in a whole array of colors. I got the product red just because I want to support the AIDS Foundation. So let's open this up. Bang. Okay. And then here we go, designed by Apple, as your every other iPhone is. Okay, here it is. Underneath is our actual phone, the iPhone XR, and then you get your usual. You get your wall outlet. You get your Lightning headphones in the box with the 3.5mm adapter inside, and then finally your cable. So with this brand new iPhone XR, it's an LCD screen rather than an OLED screen, which is in the iPhone XS and the XS Max. I'm just going to power it on by clicking it on. 1, 2, 3. And then we should see the Apple logo come up. Bang. Okay. And according to the Apple website, it's the most advanced LCD on a smartphone to date. And this is a 6.1-inch LCD screen. And like I mentioned before, it comes with the A12 Bionic chip. I'm actually going to be doing a separate video of how to properly set up your iPhone. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on that video and other videos, including the full-on review of this phone. Really liking this color. It's really nice and red, more like I'd say like a dark red than a light red that I've seen in other product reds. Okay. And inside your manual you get everything the same except for the product red design, which is a little bit different because if you read it, so in partnership with the Red Foundation, Apple will contribute a portion of your iPhone sales to the Global Fund to support HIV and AIDS programs and deliver an AIDS-free generation. So if you guys want to learn more, just visit this website. Alright, here you guys have it, the iPhone XR, a really quick unboxing. I'm going to be doing a couple of videos on this, so make sure you subscribe, and then a full-on review of this. As always, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.